Let's talk creatine, the go-to supplement for strength and muscle gains. You've seen dozens of brands, but not all creatine is created equal. Think of it like buying ingredients, quality matters. Some brands offer pure, tested creatine. Others cut corners with fillers or questionable sources. When you're taking something daily, you want it clean and effective. Don't be fooled by flashy labels. Dig deeper. The right creatine supports your goals and protects your health. Today we're comparing two big names, Momentous and Nutrition Geeks. One's a premium pick, the other's a budget favorite. We'll break down what sets them apart so you can choose what's best for you. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for in a creatine supplement. Let's dive in. What makes a creatine supplement stand out? Here are the essentials. First, purity. Look for 99.9% pure creatine monohydrate. Next, third-party certifications like NSF or Informed Sport ensure safety and no banned substances. Mixability matters too. Micronized creatine dissolves easily, so you're not left with gritty shakes. Price per dose is key. Compare cost per serving, not just the tub price. Balance quality and affordability for your needs. A great creatine is pure, tested, easy to mix, and fits your budget. Don't settle for less. Your results and health depend on it. Now, let's see how Momentous and Nutrition Geeks stack up. Ready? Let's go. 11. First up, Momentous, the gold standard. It uses Creapure, the purest creatine monohydrate from Germany. Every batch is 99.9% pure and free from impurities. Momentous is NSF and Informed Sport certified, so athletes and professionals trust it. It mixes instantly. No clumps, no grit. That smoothness is a sign of top-tier manufacturing. It's the choice of pro sports teams and elite athletes worldwide. The catch? It's pricier than most, but you're paying for unmatched purity, safety, and peace of mind. If you want the best, Momentous delivers. 11. Now, Nutrition Geeks, the budget-friendly favorite. It's affordable with a low cost per serving, making creatine accessible to everyone. The powder is micronized, so it mixes well, no major clumps. Thousands of positive reviews back its effectiveness for strength and muscle gains, but there's a trade-off. No third-party certifications or clear sourcing info. For most, that's not a deal-breaker, but competitive athletes may want more assurance. Nutrition Geeks is perfect for everyday gym goers who want results without overspending. It's simple, effective, and easy on your wallet. Just know what you're getting and what you're not. 10. So, which creatine fits your needs? Momentous is for athletes, professionals, or anyone who demands the highest purity and safety, no compromises. Nutrition Geeks is for students, casual lifters, or anyone on a budget who still wants proven results. Both offer creatine monohydrate. Both can help you get stronger. The difference is in the details of certification, sourcing, and price. Decide what matters most to you, premium, assurance, or maximum value. Either way, creatine is a powerful tool for your fitness journey. Which would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Now go crush those goals. 10.